now that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, chase beach views and everything.
So here is my room, how it's looking. LED lights, they flicker. I have a remote control for that and stuff. And these are my, nail polishes and stuff. I still gotta buy some more. A little portrait. And this is my wall where I'm gonna put the neon lights with my name on this desk. I got the desk from Amazon. It was a really good deal. Since I'm an employee of Amazon, I get an additional discount on top of that and stuff. Yeah, so this is my little station where I keep all my accessories and stuff like that. And these are my files. Got these other ones too. And I gotta clean these up and stuff. I gotta disinfect them and stuff. Down there is my press-on nail stuff. Here I'm gonna put the sound bar onto the wall with some brackets. I'm gonna get rid of this crazy table and stuff like that. I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna put here in this corner. Something, because I still got more to do in this room. As you can see, I got a plain wall. I'm not sure what to put there. If anybody got some tips, comments, well, ignore my husband. He's playing his game. And I got me a humidifier to remove, like dog smell, allergies, and the stench of the monomer, because monomer stays in your house. If you don't get rid of it and throw it away, it stays in your house for days. So this will kind of like clear it up a little bit. And like I said before, I think this is my plan to do my crafts, my decals for my nails. And this is my stand-up table that I got from Amazon. Good deal. I got it for like, I want to say $100 and something. And I need to get me another game chair, but I want to get it in pink. And this is my personal printer with my Cricut that I do a lot of stickers for the nails as well and stuff like that. I still got a whole lot. It's a big change. This room was literally black. It was so black. It was the color of this chair. That's how black this room was. I painted it myself. I primed it, and I painted it myself and cover all the holes. You know, as you can see here, I still got a patch sand that wall there. I'm probably gonna put maybe some shelves there. I'm not sure. Still to be continued. And yeah, so this is the outcome so far of my room. Once I finish everything, I will do another. I will upload another video and stuff like that. Um, yeah. Oh, and this, by the way, it has like a big shelf where you can put stuff in there while working on your nail stuff, and you want to put something away, like um your nail stuff. I still got to get the armrest for the clients. Um, yeah, I'm excited. It's been a journey for me. Because very stressed too as well.